Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About negative s, I can put into negative 5s plus 4s. We can do about factorization by s. This one by number 4. So we have s minus number 5, s minus number 5. We can do about factorization. Next, we have the formula in here. A square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So about number 16, we can put about 4 square. So we just apply this formula in here. And now I will transform this one into this one. So s plus 4, s plus 4, we simplify. And now I will put negative number 4 going here and here. So we have the final answer. And that is about 9/8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.